Hi, this is John Sir from John Sir Kakinada YouTube channel. 26th January is a Republic Day. Our constitution came into force on this day. Republic Day celebrations are being held in Pragati school at Gandhinagar branch in Kakinada. Before going to watch every program, like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel John Sir Kakinada YouTube.
Sit down. Brad, stop. Brad, stop. Brad, सावधान. Brad, सामने से लेजट बात. टैग चल.
Please come on to it.
Together for Republic Day, it's a special time that connects our past and future. We should remember the people who made sacrifices for our country's democracy. Our constitution, which guides us with fairness and equality, started on this day. As we celebrate, let's also think about the duties it gives us. Also think about the duties which each of us. We should promise to support the values in our constitution.
राष्ट्रध्वज है, ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है, तर्पण की भूमि है, इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है.
Been running Ramya hospitals with low fees, with a vision of God and with the word of God for past 20 years. At present, she is holding the position of AP chairperson for science and technology with an ideology of innovation and experience that influences everyone. She is a faithful servant to God with obedience, calm-going nature and work-minded thoughts, personally as well as in the medical field too. Their achievements and their contribution which help us a lot for the upcoming generation. Thank you so much, ma'am.
cooperate. Nasta, begin.
Chief Guest of today's Republicday celebrations, Dr. N.Purnachandra garu and Pragati Junior College Principal Swaminathan garu, Pragati School Principal Durga garu and Vice Principal Rajeshwari garu, dear staff members and my dear students and parents, a very warm good morning all of you, and I wish you all very happy. ఈ రిపబ్లిక్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్ కి స్టూడెంట్స్ చేసినటువంటి ఆ యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా చాలా చక్కగా ట్రైన్ చేశారు మన పిఈటీస్ అండ్ యోగా సార్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. చాలా చక్కగా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశారు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇక్కడ గత సంవత్సరం ఎస్ఎస్సిలో 596 మార్క్స్ తోటి స్టేట్ సెకండ్ సాధించినందుకు ఆ విద్యార్థుల్ని, అలానే మిగిలినటువంటి ఈ బ్రాంచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ని, స్టాఫ్ని అందరినీ కూడా నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందిస్తున్నాను. అలానే ఎంతో బిజీగా ఉన్నప్పటికీ మేడం గారు పిలవగానే టైం చూసుకొని ఈ ఫంక్షన్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా వచ్చినందుకు మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు మేడం గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ టుడే సెలబ్రేషన్. ఎంతో మంది మేధావులు ఎన్నో దేశాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి కాన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ లాస్ అన్నింటినీ కూడా స్టడీ చేసి డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో మన కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ రూపుదిద్దుకుంది. ఆ రోజు నుంచి ప్రజలందరికీ కొన్ని ప్రాథమిక హక్కులతోటి గవర్నమెంట్ తోటి ఉన్నటువంటి రిలేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి, కాన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ గా ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఇటువంటి హక్కులన్నీ కూడా ప్రాథమికంగా మనం ఏర్పరచుకొని మన అప్పటి నుంచి కూడా మనం భారతాన్ని అలగాడుతుంది. సో ఒక దేశం అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి అంటే ప్రాథమికంగా ఏం కావాలి? ఒక మంచి సిటిజన్స్ తయారు చేసుకోవాలి. అటువంటి మంచి సిటిజన్స్ రూపుదిద్దుకునేది క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ లోనే. కాబట్టి క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ వాతావరణం ఎలా ఉండాలి? అది ప్రైవేట్ స్కూల్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ గవర్నమెంట్ అనేది కాదు.
Respected Chairperson sir, respected Principal sir, respected Principal Madam and Vice Principal Madam, and my respected teachers and all dear children, a very good morning to all of you. It's a great privilege for me to be here in Pragati English Medium School and participate in the 75th Republic Day celebrations. Really, it's a joy for me to see all of you participating so well, and your performance is really, really very good. I congratulate all of you. I take this opportunity at the outset, I take this opportunity to really appreciate and to congratulate our Chairman sir and all the whole team of Pragati institutions for their dedication, for their commitment, for their sincerity, and they have worked it out so well. Really, it's a joy for me in my heart to see such wonderful results. You know, in 10 out of 600, 596 is not a joke. It's not a simple thing. It's a hard work of all the children. It's a hard work of all the teachers it's a hard work of all the parents. And more than all this, I feel it's the backbone. Our chairman sir and all the team, the principal, the vice principal and everybody as the backbone of this institution. I really appreciate all of them and I thank them. And I take this opportunity to thank our dear chairman sir for his kind heart, because I know he has helped so many people, so many students who are poor, and he was so compassionate and so kind to all of them. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 Jan 1950. It's a day that reminds us of all the freedom fighters, the struggles they have faced, and the values that our nation stands for justice, as sir has already said, for justice, for liberty, for equality and fraternity. Every nation is treated on hand. I heard a very wonderful story of Ubuntu. Do you all know what is about Ubuntu? Yeah, I shall tell you. It's very interesting. So it's a real story. What has happened many years back? There was an anthropologist, and he went to an African tribe. So he got some full basket of sweet fruits, very tasty fruits, and he kept it under a tree. And then around 1 kilometer back, then he said he gathered all the African children there, whoever is there in the tribe, and he said, see, you whoever goes first, and this is a game, this is a running race, whoever goes first to the tree, and you can have the whole basket of sweet fruits. So you know what they did? So what we will do usually, so everybody will try to run as fast as possible, isn't it? Yeah, but you know what they did? They were all holding hands together immediately. They all held their hands together and they ran together. And how wonderful it was. They ran together and they shared all the sweet fruits in that basket together. So you know what they said? Then that anthropologist, he was just shocked at this incident, and he said, so you know, if one of you run very fast, you would have got all the basket full of sweet fruits. Why did you do like this? Then they said, see, how can we be happy when others are sad? How can I be happy when others are sad? And they said, I am because we are. You know, Chairman sir wonderfully said, see, it starts in the schools, it starts in the classes, all the children. So you are, like I am, because we are. So we are. So that is the equality what our Constitution has taught, what Sir Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Garu has taught us. So we are, that equality should be there right from the young age. So that selfishness, remember children, sharing is caring. Selfishness is an enemy in our life. So drive that selfishness from your hearts.
As I told you, don't be selfish at all. The second commandment is don't be selfish at all. You share it with others. You be ready to share with others. Even the knowledge. You know, if you have to come up, if you have to really excel in your studies,
definitely you will become a very good child, a blessed child, and who brings honor to their parents, to their families, to the institution where you studied, and to the nation. God bless you and a happy birthday.
వేదికని అలంకరించినటువంటి మన చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ అయినటువంటి టి ప్రభావతి గారికి, అలాగే మన ప్రగతి విద్యా సంస్థల చైర్మన్ గారైనటువంటి శ్రీ N.Purnachandra గారికి, అలాగే మా సోదరుమల్లు ప్రిన్సిపల్ వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ దుర్గారావు గారికి, రాజేశ్వరి గారికి, అలాగే మై కొలీగ్స్ టీచింగ్ అండ్ నాన్ టీచింగ్ వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా వెరీ హ్యాపీ రిపబ్లిక్ డే. అలానే విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ కూడా నా ఆశీస్సులు. అలాగే
गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजार नदियाँ गोदी में खेलती.
నమస్కారాలు. అలాగే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన పెద్దలందరికీ సోదరి సోదరులకు 75వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. నా పేరు ఐశ్వర్య. నేను 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నా. ఈరోజు 75వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం గురించి కొన్ని మాటలు మీకోసం.
From 7 Proton. Firstly, I wish you a 75th Happy Republic Day to all. For all of us in India, it is an incredibly important day as today is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year in India. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. India became a democratic and republic nation on this day. Republic Day is celebrated in India.
के बलिदानों का जिन्होंने अंग्रेजों की सदियों की गुलामी से मुक्ति मिली.
Time